We'll guide you through how to create checklists in Trello. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Trello website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the board where you want to create a checklist. Click on a card to open its details. Inside the card, you'll see a menu on the right-hand side. Look for the option that says Checklist and click on it. A prompt will appear asking you to name your checklist. You can call it whatever makes sense for your task. After naming it, hit the Add button. Your new checklist will now appear inside the card. To add items to your checklist, simply type in the task you want to include in the Add an Item field and press Enter. You can keep adding as many items as you need. Each task will have a checkbox next to it, so when you complete a task, you can check it off to mark it as done. This visual progression can be quite satisfying and helps keep track of what still needs to be done. If you need to reorder tasks, you can easily drag and drop them to prioritize as needed. And if you need to delete a task, just hover over it and click the trash can icon that appears. Remember, you can create multiple checklists within a single card if your project has various sections or phases. This feature is perfect for breaking down complex tasks into manageable steps. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.